Today we're going to Jollibee for birthday. Very nice. Oh, small feet. Halloween.
Balloon, yeah.
Man. Show me. Show me.
Asok na, dali. Mahuli na tayo. Wala na si
simula dito ka na Ate Elise.
Came back from Jollibee. I would say it was a bit special. But nice.
And regular Coke for
15,000. 20 yan.
Once again, kami reach Daddy Dondi.
Kape mo ah, kape. PJ mo naman.
Ano na kaya niyan?
Teka.
Pan-taxi ka na, ayaw mo ba?
We're now going to another place. I just fall asleep. I'll leave the camera here and I will film with the iPhone. Fucking tired. Basti.
Dito, meron pa rin party oh.
Is it the end? Ano?
Nakakain niya yung sisiw.
Nung isang beses kumain na yun eh. Ewan ko lang, yung ganyan kaya kong kainin siya. Ewan ko. Kainin niya. Kasi yung akin,
Sarap naman.
This one is nice.
yeah, yours is fine because you don't see the body. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
1 second. Sarap na.
Sexy? You don't like?
I like to see how you eat balut.
More?
Video.
Of you?
No, just.
It's unbelievable.
Salt, vinegar. It's nice.
Okay, done.
That part is harder.
If you want, you can swallow like this one and then eat.
It's fine. It's nice.
You eat that one.
No. As much as I would love to take this one, I don't think it's really convenient. Today we're going here. Still going to take this, just in case we go for swimming. Scott been here or what? We are here in near Moa. We're about to take the ferry to Amayakos. What the fuck is his name? So you know when you have those real estate agents try to sell you some condo and they tell you come I will make you visit the condo and the place. So this is what we're doing today. We're going to Amayakos. They're gonna try to sell us a condo. It's like an hour and a half in now. Hopefully we're there soon. The great thing is everyone have a seat and no one is standing up. So I just fall asleep for an hour. Well, honestly, so it was a 2 hours trip. Normally it costs 550 pesos each, and you come here, you can use everything basically. You can use the resort basically. But as we're coming technically to check for a house,
Lang.
how many square?
224.
224.
Yeah.
224 it costs ano? How much?
In total.
2 million. Be, magkano man lahat?
Magkano total?
2,203,000.
2.3.
2.3.
And then down payment is 10%.
So how much is one condo? 3.2 million.
And 3.1.
3.1 for the first floor.
No bed, no bed. It's up to you.
So this one is 3.1 million.
Sorry?
3.1?
3.1, yes. 3.1. So good, with one bedroom here.
Yes.
But 2 floors only, no?
Studio, 3.1 million.
Pero maganda.
Kahit dun sa ano.
Napapasok mo ako.
Apo, naka-aircon naman dati ang aming model dati.
This one is 6.4 million pesos. It's at the second floor. Unfurnished, yeah? It's not fully furnished for the price. I mean, I don't know, if you ask me, if I pay 6.4 million pesos, I'd like it furnished at least. How much it costs to really furnish it? Someone smashed the door already. 6.4 million pesos. So now, I tried to film a time lapse with my Canon, but the memory card is full. So I put the GoPro on, and I'm finishing with the iPhone. So yeah, it's pretty cool today. Very nice. It's not cheap. I mean, honestly, investment is really expensive. Like 6 million for a studio flat. Not even fully furnished. It's quite expensive, but anyway, it's a nice place to come. If you want to come, it's like 550 pesos, and you get a meal. You come at 11 o'clock, you get here at 2. Then now we have a boat to pick us up at 8 in the evening. It's 5:30 now, so yeah. It's pretty nice. Worth coming for the day, I would say. Maybe not investing, but really worth coming for the day. It's nice.